Hello and welcome to Izzy B Crafts. Today I will be showing you how to paint a Minecraft sort of portrait on a wood phone stand. So you will need gesso, air dry clay. You will also need paintbrushes, dry and ones that you're using to paint. Acrylic paint, any brand or colors you want. A pencil, and it can have an eraser on the end and make sure it is sharp. A spray-on clear coat. And you will also need a ruler, sandpaper, and a face mask. So I'm starting off by hand planing the wood phone stand, which I did make. Of course, this step is optional. You don't have to do this. I just knew that it wasn't completely level and straight. So I was just doing this to even out the surface of the phone stand. After that, I am going in with sanding and putting on a face mask to protect my lungs, because you don't want to be inhaling the wood dust, so make sure to put on a face mask. So I'm just sanding this down until the surface gets nice and smooth. So now I'm just using some Crayola air dry clay, not sponsored, and Crayola did not send it to me, to patch up a hole. And now I am moving on to the gesso, and I'm just painting gesso all over the wood phone stand. And once the air dry clay is dry, I do suggest taking some sandpaper and sanding it down. So now I'm just using a ruler and a pencil to create the Minecraft character, and I'm making it look like one of my brother's Minecraft characters. And so yeah, I'm just sketching it out using a ruler, and this is where I got. It's not the best thing in the world, and it looks kind of weird at the sketch stage, but once you add the paint, it looks better. So now I'm just mixing up the paints, and I'm not just using gray, I'm using other colors as well. Once I got all the paints mixed up, now it is time to paint the character. I'm using a small paintbrush to paint the character, and earlier when I said you needed a dry paintbrush is because I used the dry paintbrush to brush off all the wood dust off of the phone stand. Of course, if you have an air compressor, you can use that and just blow off the dust as well. But again, I'm just using what I have on hand, and I'm just using a dry paintbrush. So here's the character all painted, and now I am going in with a green acrylic paint, and I am painting the background of the stand. I made it so that the paint wasn't actually fully opaque, but it did take quite a bit of coats to get good opacity. But the texture that was at the end, even with it not being fully covered, is pretty nice. So now I'm taking that clear spray coat in matte and spraying down both the front and the backs of the phone stands. I'm using a spray sealant, that way it is more durable and protects the paint job better, because the way the pieces fit together, they're kind of going to rub up against each other. And I did do 2 coats of the spray sealant. And this is the finished product. I hope you like it, and I hope you enjoyed it. I know that this is something more unusual than what I normally do, but I really enjoyed it, and I liked how it turned out. And my brother likes it. He likes to use it quite often to prop his phone to watch YouTube videos. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Bye!